Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about important concepts of numerical analysis which are precision and accuracy of the approximation. Now let us understand the difference between precision and accuracy. Precision of the value means level of exactness. That is how finely or how consistently a value is represented. Accuracy means the level of closeness to the true value. More close means more accurate. Precision does not depend on true value. Even if the true value is not known, we can still talk about precision. Accuracy depends on the true value. Without knowing the true or exact value, we cannot judge whether an approximation is accurate or not. So, no true value, no accuracy. Precision is measured using digits spread in the value. More digits or more decimal places indicate higher precision. Accuracy is measured using error. A small error implies more accuracy. As error decreases, accuracy increases. Precision can be increased by using more digits. Accuracy is improved by using better method or better approximation. So more digits in or more decimal places implies more precision. A small error implies more accuracy. Now we discuss a numerical example given that the true value is 25.6789. This value is assumed to be exact or correct value. Now we will compare different approximate values with respect to the precision and accuracy. First approximate value is 25.68. That value is written up to two decimal places. Okay. Uh, so its precision is low because it has fewer decimal places with respect to the given true value. Given true value is given up to four decimal places, but this approximate value is measured up to two decimal places. So precision level is low. However, if you compare this value with the true value, it is still reasonably close. So we can say accuracy is medium. Second approximate value is 25.6790. This value is written up to four decimal places. Okay, so approximate value is measured up to four decimal places. True value also has is written up to four decimal places. So we can say precision is high here. Okay. Also, if we talk about the accuracy, so accuracy is also high here because you can see the uh, approximate value 25.6790 is very close to the true value 25.6789. So this is the example of a value that is both precise and accurate. This is the ideal situation in numerical computations. Third approximate value is 25.000. This value is written up to three decimal places. So technically we can say precision is medium because it has three decimal places. Uh, Now if we observe that this value is very far away from the true value. Okay. Therefore, we can say accuracy is low. So remember that precision is about representation of the approximate value and accuracy is about correctness of the approximate value. A number may be precise but inaccurate. Number may be accurate but not very precise, or it may be both accurate and precise. So friends, if you found this lecture helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. And if you have any doubt or question, you can write them in the comment section. Thank you very much.